the M18 FUEL drill outpowers every single drill I've ever had.
It is a big step up with speed and the power behind it.
You can tell that it's different. A lot more power, a lot more zip, and goes through things a lot faster.
I use that M18 FUEL drill to get through metal, concrete, and wood. It does the work for me.
The M18 FUEL drill being compact allows you to get into smaller spaces.
The M18 FUEL drill size is perfect. You're getting a lightweight, compact device with the power of something that's big and heavy and corded.
The size, it definitely helps for getting in between the tighter studs.
It's easier to store, carry. The smaller, the better.
The M18 FUEL drill with the auto stop really helped on the safety side. You know, it's going to stop before we get pinched into a corner, our hand's going to get pinched in a sharp area. This just stops.
With the auto stop, I'm able to hold it in a more comfortable position because I'm not worried about the drill catching.
It's safer, it doesn't twist our wrist when it gets bound up.
You're more concentrated on your work. It takes some anxiety out of drilling holes.
I love using one key because I use it to track and manage my tools, and I can find them whenever I need.
I just like the sheer